I'm starting this vlog off with a little food porn. I made some bacon and brown sugar macaroni, baked macaroni. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I'll let y'all know in a minute. Yeah, it looks good though. Not gonna front, kind of look good. But yeah. Hey y'all, long time no upload. I know. I'm gonna do a life update soon, but right now I'm just chilling in the car waiting on my mom to come out of Kroger. And yeah, the sun is hitting. But yeah, I decided to do Vlogmas this year because I've never done it before. Today is what, Sunday, December 1st, obviously, and it's football Sunday. I really don't do nothing else Sunday but cook and watch football. But today, earlier, I had a casting for a fashion show, but I didn't go because honestly it just I didn't feel like going, and due to the fact that I had a lot of stuff to do at home. So yeah, that's that. There's gonna be other opportunities like that, so I'm not really like stressed about it. However, I don't have a however. But yeah, earlier me and the boys, we went to the park and I baked some macaronis as I showed y'all before, and now they're going to my mom's house to put up the tree. I'm not gonna go over there because I know if I go over there I'm not gonna be able to get my chores done at home. So I'm gonna be a responsible adult and stay home to utilize my break and do stuff at home that I have to do. I have to clean up. I have to clean out the refrigerator because I have to go make some groceries. I have to sort out my laundry. I have to wash my laundry, and I gotta do a lot of stuff. So while they're at my mom's, I'm gonna stay home just so I can do all those things. Hopefully I'll be done if I can stay at the TV because it's football Sunday. But yeah, I'm full. I got energy. I'm not gonna have the boys, so I'm gonna do what I gotta do, yeah. So okay, you guys, I am back home. What I'm about to do, I'm about to clean up. Honestly, when I got home, I got a little bit tired and I wanted to just lay down. But then I'm burning my sage. I don't know if you can see it right there. So I'm just about to get the ball rolling. Yeah, I don't think my sage is on. So you guys, I finished cleaning up my living room. I still have to do the kitchen and my room, but I'm gonna wait to do that because the game is on and it's getting interesting, so I want to watch the game. And the boys, they still haven't came back yet. I don't know if my mom's gonna bring them back today or she's gonna bring them back tomorrow. Hopefully she brings them back tomorrow so I can have the night to myself, and I'll stay up to finish doing the kitchen and my room, because the kitchen looks a mess. Like, I cooked yesterday. Yesterday I cooked some crab legs, corn, some pork chops, baked macaronis, and I think that's all. That's all I cooked last night. And this morning, well, not this morning, but like, ooh, touchdown. But this morning I cooked, not this morning, but like in the afternoon, I baked some more macaronis to go with the leftover pork chops. And I think I baked, and I cooked some bacon to go on top of the macaroni. But yeah, my kitchen is a mess because all my pots and literally all my pots and cooking spoons are dirty. That's not a touchdown. He didn't have control. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty, this is like a chill first day.